Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Country Club Hills local and long-distance movers near me. The right long-distance Country Club Hills movers will help you with more than just getting from point A to point B. Our team provides plenty of services to save you time and make the move so much easier. Some of the things we can offer you include packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. Hiring a Florida moving company may not be easy to justify until you look at the numbers and benefits. Yes, hiring local movers comes with a cost, but it also provides many benefits as well. With professional movers, you'll get a team that knows how to handle antiques, furniture, pianos, and many other types of items. In addition, a professional moving company will save you time and allow you to handle other tasks. Hiring 3 movers offers an easy way to streamline the moving process. The process of settling into your home becomes easier and faster when you hire us. It could take you a few days to pack up and move your things to your new home, but we can do it in a few hours. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Country Club Hills moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.